Hello and welcome back to TNV Academy, your trusted source for everything related to ISO standards and professional certifications. Imagine this, your customer logs into their account and the system is down. An urgent support ticket comes in, but your help desk platform crashes. Your cloud provider has an outage and all your operations freeze. Availability and continuity are no longer just technical issues. They are business survival issues. In today's video, we are going to explore service availability and continuity management under ISO IEC 20001, the international standard for IT service management. We will cover what these terms mean, what the standard requires, and how your organization can ensure services remain available, even during disruptions. Let's get started. What is ISO IEC 20001? ISO IEC 20001 is the global standard for IT service management. It provides a structured approach for planning, delivering, and improving IT services aligned with business needs. The standard follows the Plan, Do, Check, Act model and includes controls for availability management and service continuity to make sure critical services stay up and running, no matter what. What is availability and continuity management? Let's break down the two core concepts. Availability management is about ensuring that services are up, accessible, and reliable when users need them. Within agreed service levels, service continuity management focuses on how to restore critical services quickly after a disruption, like a cyber attack, hardware failure, or natural disaster. Together, they protect your organization from downtime, data loss, and reputational damage. What the standard requires? Clause 8.4.3. According to Clause 8.4.3 of ISO IEC 20001, your organization must define availability and continuity requirements for each service. Develop a plan to meet those requirements. Identify risk and potential impacts on service delivery. Maintain documented procedures to restore services. Test and review continuity plans regularly. In short, we can say that ISO 20001 expects you to manage both normal operations and unexpected interruptions in a structured and risk-based way. Steps to implement availability management. Here is how to implement effective availability management. Define availability targets like 99.9% uptime based on business needs. Design resilient systems with backup power, load balancing, or failover infrastructure. Monitor performance using real-time tools to detect outages. Measure and report on uptime incidents and root causes. Review trends and take preventive action where necessary. This ensures that your services meet agreed SLAs. Steps to implement service continuity. Now let's talk about service continuity management. Here is your action plan. Conduct a business impact analysis, that is BIA. Identify critical services and how long you can afford them to be offline. Perform risk assessments. Find out what can go wrong, cyber attacks, natural disasters, human error, and how likely they are. Develop a continuity plan. This includes response actions, contact list, backup procedures, alternate sites, and more. Assign roles and responsibilities. Make sure everyone knows their role during a crisis. Test your plan, run simulations and tabletop exercises. Learn from failures and update your procedures. Train your team. Keep everyone prepared from IT staff to end users. Common pitfalls to avoid. Here are some common mistakes organizations make. Focusing only on technology. Ignoring people and processes, having plans on paper but never testing them, overlooking third-party dependencies, not involving top management. ISO 20001 is very clear. You need proactive, tested, and maintained processes to ensure resilience. Tools and best practices. Here are a few best practices to strengthen availability and continuity. Use monitoring tools for proactive alerting, integrate with incident management and problem management. Align with ISO 22301 if you need a full business continuity management system. Maintain off-site backups and cloud redundancy. Communicate plans clearly and train regularly. Your success depends on preparation. To sum it up, we can say that availability and continuity management in ISO IEC 20001 ensures your services stay reliable and your organization stays trusted. Because no matter how advanced your technology is, one unexpected incident can break trust in seconds. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with your team. Comment below if you would like templates or checklists for availability or continuity planning. Thanks for watching TNV Academy, and remember, resilience is not optional, it is essential.